Hey everyone, this is Robert Mazzetti from Facebook, and let's see, I put new batteries in this thing. See, look, there's batteries in here. I don't know if they're in right. So what I'm going to do here, I tried testing this earlier and it didn't work. I haven't even had this radio very long. It's the HD radio from Insignia. I believe it's a Best Buy brand, which Best Buy, for all intents and purposes, for some reason have forgotten what an HD radio is. So antenna looks fine. See, look, every bit of its notches are here. Okay, so antenna check, battery check. See, batteries are in. Although this, oh, ow, ow! That, for some reason, that can burn your hand. Ooh, be careful with these springs. They can burn your hand. Good thing you got that message, because that's kind of a safety hazard right there. Okay, so I'm going to turn this on, or attempt to turn this on. Is this the power button? Let me know if this is the power button right here. So let me turn it on. I'm holding it down, but nothing's happening. Ouch, that really hurt my hand. See, there's a little burn mark there. So apparently the springs that hold the batteries heat up, and they can scold you or something. You have to be careful with that. So let me try again. I'll just tap it. Nothing happens. Now I'll just try to hold it down. I'm holding it down, but nothing's happening either. So this is the tuning knob. This is the presets. This is the volume. This is the HD Seek. I don't know what source is. It's like the aux thing. I never understand what AUX means. So this is the power button. And this is the memory card to program your presets. And that's all it. And at the bottom here, you just get the FCC rules. And yes, this thing can stand up. Sort of. So I can't get this thing to turn on. I haven't tried to use this radio in a long time. It stopped working. And yes, this radio has gotten Orlando, Florida, so it can e-skip. I heard someone say on here that this radio cannot e-skip, but yes, it can e-skip. I've gotten Orlando or Tampa, Florida on it. Mainly Orlando. I got KTK HD trying to come in over the annoying 98.5 translator here in Austin. See, I'm in my bedroom right now here in Austin, Texas. Whee! So you guys have a great day. I'm Robert from HobbyManZXC on YouTube. You can check out my YouTube account on HobbyManZXC. That's HobbyManZXC. It's all one word. So I'm going to turn it on one more time. See, I'm pushing the button down. Nothing's happening. Okay, and then let me see what happens if I just push it. Nothing happens. So this radio is just kind of defective. I didn't even have it very long. Got it at Best Buy. Just worked for a little while. The plug that it came with was kind of cheap too. It has trouble working. So it's a good radio. It wasn't my favorite. There was some distortion between 93.7 to 94.1, you know, KLBJ overlapping, but yeah. KLBJ 93.7 overlaps on other radios too. So does Case. Case 100.7 overlaps on all the way to 101.1, or it used to before an annoying 101.1 translator came in Austin. So, talk to you guys later. I'm Robert from HobbyManZXC on YouTube, ZXC, the last 3 keys on your keyboard, and Facebook. Bye. Have a nice afternoon, folks.